Hello students, this is our chapter 4 quadratic equations. Let us begin our chapter. In this particular chapter, we will learn about these things. First of all, the little bit history of the quadratic equation, then meaning of quadratic equation and definition of quadratic equation, then roots of the equation, then methods are coming, solution of quadratic equation. We will learn three methods here. First one is our factorization method, second one is by completing the square, and third one is direct formula based. Then after we will go for the nature of the roots. Somehow it is also called the characteristics of the roots, or here roots means the solution of the given equation. Then lastly some application of the quadratic. The importance of reading the history or knowing the history of solving different types of equations involve the particular that time philosophy or the thinking of the different uh, scientists, or we generally call them philosopher. In particularly mathematics, there were lots of mathematicians in ancient era, but it is believed that Babylonians were the first to solve quadratic equations. But if we go through proper history, they were solving the equation of the form x square minus bx plus q equal to 0, and that time Euclid, who was a Greek mathematician, has developed a geometrical approach. We have this study, but this particular class for matriculation level, we are not going to study that. In higher classes, we will be studying about that. And the uh, in modern day technology, the solution of the quadratic equations are very important. Solving quadratic equation in general form is often credited to ancient mathematicians uh, like Brahmagupta gave an explicit formula to solve the quadratic equation of the ax square plus bx plus c, which is generally known as the standard form for the quadratic equation. We will be going to study about this. Talking about the history of this mathematics development, and the mathematicians were having great ceremony to the our great mathematicians. So little bit history we must know about, since in mathematics area we are brilliant in ancient. After Brahmagupta, Sridhar Acharya, who derived a formula now known as the quadratic formula, is it quoted by the Bhaskara too, who was also an Indian mathematician, uh, for solving a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. Similarly, an Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi, about 800 CE, also studied quadratic equations of different types. Abraham Barhea al-Nasi, in his book Liber Ambadorium, published in Europe in 1145 CE, gave complete solution of different quadratic equations. Then after, it is the modern era, where many derivation as well as many inventions have occurred. Then many writers, authors, they came, and in purified form, we are going to study about these types of equations. Student, remember one thing in mathematics, whatever in the raw form, that is in invention, or generally we call it in research form, it is very difficult to make common man understand about the particular invention. So that is why after invention or discovering of solutions of many equations, it is purified times and times and times. After hundreds of years, sometimes it takes more than 100 years to come into general life of the in our schooling system known as mathematics study or anything, whatever, to be made easy to the our general people. That is why all research are not published. That is why these history are more important for those who are much interested in mathematics field and wanted to be mathematicians in future. So without investing much of time over the history, we'll go directly to the definitions and other methods which are always useful for us. Then in free time we will be discussing about mathematical history and different types of historical invention in mathematics field. So let us begin our class systematically. Now look, an equation is a statement of equality. The sign of equality everyone knows. So when this sign of equality comes between two algebraic expressions, particularly where we have to find the value for a given variable, is known as an equation. For example, 5x plus 6 equal to 2 is an equation. Since 5x plus 6 is an algebraic expression, 2 is a constant term, and with the help of sign of equality we are making equal them, and we will try to find out the value of x, which is variable. That is why it is called an equation. Now we have already discussed about equation in one variable, equation in two variable, linear equation in two variable we have already studied. So let us come with another term which is known as degree of an equation. What is a degree? The degree of an equation is the highest sum of powers of the variables in one of the term of the equation. Repeat it. The degree of an equation is the highest sum of powers of the variables in one of the term of the equation. For example, let us have 2x plus 5 equal to 0. It is first degree equation since it is a single variable as well as the sum of the powers of the variables. See, in 2x, x has only one power, that is 1, which is the maximum. It does not have any other variable, so sum is 1, so it is first degree equation. Similarly, 3x plus 7y equal to 8, though it has two variables, x and y, but it is first degree equation. Why it is first degree equation? In any of the term, look at here, either 3x or in 7x. In both of the term, we have maximum power in variable is x. In x is 1. Similarly, the maximum power in y is 1. Here in the first term 3x, y has 0 power, and in the second term x has 0 power. So when we will come to the sum, it becomes 1. So it is also a 1 degree equation in two variables. Similarly, look at the third one. It is 2x square minus 7x plus 8. What will be it? See, since x has power 2, it is single variable equation. So it is a second degree equation in single variable. Similarly, rest of 1, 2, 3 other examples are you can easily verify and you can easily find out with the help of this definition for degree of an equation. Now come to our topic, quadratic equations. The quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a should not be 0. For example, 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Similarly, 2x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, 4x minus 3x square plus 2 equal to 0, and 4 minus x square plus 8 equal to 0 are all quadratic equations. We have just rearranged the term and we will get in standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c. So don't worry about the writing of such types. Like if someone is writing 4, let's say 4 minus x square plus 0, it is a quadratic equation. When we arrange it, it becomes minus x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0, which come to in this form. So it becomes a quadratic equation. Second, you can say if a single variable equation having degree 2, it is also known as quadratic equation. Please check it out. In fact, any equation of the form px equal to 0, where px is a polynomial of degree 2, is a quadratic equation. But when we write the terms of px in descending order of their degrees, then we get the standard form of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is not equal to 0. So always try to remember this is known as a standard form for the quadratic equation, and this is the form with these conditions. So always now roots of the equation. We have just I have mentioned that roots are nothing but these are the solutions for any of the equation. Now see, a real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Then we can say x equal to alpha is a solution of the quadratic equation, or that we satisfy the quadratic equation. That is why it is known as root for the given equation. Zeros of the quadratic polynomial and the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are the same thing. I am repeating, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation are the same thing, but in this case it is called 0 of the polynomial, and sometimes it is called 0 of the quadratic equation. What is the difference? Difference is that in polynomial we are not equating it x square plus bx plus c to 0, but in quadratic equation we are making it equal to 0. When we are making it equal to 0, then only we can find the root of the given equation. In that case it is called root, and when we call 0, then it is a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. For example, x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0, the quadratic equation is given. Now for x equal to 2, we just put x equal to 2 in this particular equation. What we get? 2 square plus 2 minus 6, that means 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 equal to 0, that means 0 equal to 0. In this particular case we call x equal to 2 is a root of this particular equation. Now here we learn how to find out the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. This step of solving the quadratic equation involves 3 steps. Number 1, in step 1 we will write the equation in the standard form. Number 2, we will factorize the left hand side of the equation if possible. Third step, the left hand side will be the product of two linear factors. Then each of the linear factor will be equal to 0, and we will try to solve it for value of x. These values of x will give the solution for the given quadratic equation. Let us have some examples to make it. Look at the example. We have taken 3x square plus 5x equal to 2. So our first step was to write down the given equation in the given standard form. So we just written here. 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Then we'll try to factorize the left hand side. In left hand side we have 3x square plus 5x minus 2, which in this particular case we return 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2. This 5x can be written as 6x minus x, so that we can easily factorize this. So take 3x common, x plus 2, then having minus 1 common, x plus 2 will give this product will equal to 0. Then two linear factors are coming. One is 3x minus 1, another one x plus 2. So multiply these, that means product of these two equal to 0, and this is coming from here and this is from here. Now third step, we have to equate each of the linear factor to 0. So our first linear factor was 3x minus 1, so we'll make it here 3x minus 1 equal to 0. In this second 3x equal to 1, then it becomes x equal to 1 by 3. The second one linear factor was x plus 2, so we make it equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, it gives x equal to minus 2. So we are getting two values of x, one is 1 by 3, another one is minus 2. So x equal to 1 by 3 comma minus 2 are the roots of the given equation. We can write a solution set as 1 by 3 comma minus 2 closed by middle bracket. Let us have second example. In this particular example, we have taken 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. We have already given in standard form, so we do not need to convert it to standard form. So we can write 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2. We have just rearranged this minus x to this 3x minus 4x, so that minus x will automatically come. Now take 3x common, in bracket will come 2x to get 6x square and plus 1, so that we will have 3x here, and take minus 2 common, 2x plus 1 in bracket, so that we will have this expression. So two linear factors are coming, 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1. To find out the roots, our third step was to equate both of the linear factors to 0. So when we make it equal to 0, the first factor 3x minus 2 equal to 0, it becomes x equal to 2 by 3, and when we equate 2x plus 1 equal to 0, it gives x equal to minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2 are two roots of the given equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. We can also verify this by checking that 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 satisfy this. For that, what we have to do is just put in place of x 2 by 3 one time and second time x equal to minus 1 by 2. You will do in your notebook, and please let us have the another method to solve quadratic equation. This is known as method of completing the square. So let us discuss. In step 1, write the equation in standard form. In step 2, divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square if it is not already 1. Step 3, shift the constant term to the right hand side. In step 4, add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x to both sides. In step 5, write the LHS as complete square and simplify RHS. So let us have an example. We have taken x square plus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 6 and 7 is constant term. We have written b is 6. So when we are using the completing b square method, since the coefficient of x square is already 1, so we do not have to divide throughout the term with the coefficient of x. Second step, what we have to do, we have to see what is the coefficient of x, and half of coefficient of x we have to add to the both sides. When we are adding half of the coefficient of x, that means half of 6 is 3. We are adding both of this. Here we are using subtract the new term, because when we uh, bring it to the opposite side of the sign of equality, it becomes negative sign. In this case, what will happen? This positive and negative will cancel each other and our expression remains the same. That is why we have using these tricks. Now we are solving the LHS. Now our new LHS is x square plus 6x plus 6 by 2 whole square plus 7 minus 6 by 2 whole square. Now this becomes x plus 6 by 2 whole square, since by the formula a square plus b square, and this is our 2ab term, so it becomes a plus b whole square, as well as plus come to the downward, and this becomes 7 minus 9. So ultimately it gives x plus 3 whole square minus 2, that is x square plus 6x plus 7 equal to x plus 3 whole square minus 2. Now when this becomes 0, we will try to solve this. X plus 3 whole square equal to 2, then x plus 3 equal to plus minus root 2, x equal to plus minus root 2 minus 3. That means there are two values of x. One is x equal to root 2 minus 3, and let us have another example. We have taken 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here, the coefficient of x square is not a perfect square. So what we did, we multiply the equation throughout the coefficient of x, that is 3, so that it becomes a perfect square. So the new equation becomes 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. We will take the LHS. This LHS gives this 9x square becomes 3x whole square. This 15x come here, minus 2 into 3x plus 5 by 2, which will be multiplied. 2 to cancel each other, and 5 into 3 is 15x. This minus and minus 15x, it is 2, 6, as well as no change. In second line, this 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 5 by 2 plus, remember in our process of method of completing the square, what we did, we add and subtract the half of the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 5. So if we add 5 by 2 its square, we have to subtract 5 by 2 square. This 6 as well as. Now it becomes 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 plus 6, and this side, this becomes no change, 3x minus 5/2 whole square, and this whole expression changes to 1 by 4. So we can write 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0 as 3x minus 5/2 whole square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. It becomes 3x minus 5/2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. So we can write the equation in this format: 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0, same as those of 3x minus 5/2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. So it gives 3x minus 5/2 equal to 1 by 2 positive, 3x minus 5/2 equal to minus 1 by 2 as negative. Since under root sign gives plus minus, so we denote plus minus sign. So from first expression we get this 3x equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2, or another one was 3x equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which on solving gives this one, and finally it gives 1 or 4 by 6, which becomes 1 or 2 by 3. Therefore, two roots of the given equation are 1 and 2 by 3. Now let us discuss solving the quadratic equation by formula. By saying formula, we say direct method to solve the quadratic equation by just putting the formula for finding its solution. So let us discuss the process. Consider the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Let us divide both sides by a. It becomes x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. We will take constant terms to the right hand side. Then it becomes here x square plus b by x equal to minus c by a. We will try here our completing the square method. So we add b by 2a whole square to the both sides. See the changes, and we will solve it. It becomes x plus b by 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. When we take square root to the both sides, we will get x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, which upon solving gives x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square, which becomes x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, or in simplest form it becomes x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is our formula for finding x, where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, c is the constant term. We just put the values of all constant terms and will easily find the value of x. Let us see how the formula is working. Consider an equation 3x square plus 5x equal to 2. When we are writing it to standard form, it becomes 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0, where a equal to 3, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 2, where our formula x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, we have to remember it. Now we are just trying to put the values of a, b and c. Take a equal to 3, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 2. We will get this expression. After solving this we get this, and finally we get x equal to 2 by 6, that is our 1 by 3. When we take negative sign we get x equal to minus 2. So our solution set is 1 by 3 comma 2 closed by middle bracket. All students are advised here to please check out the calculation process, since you all are studying in class 10. So error in calculation is not expected from you. So please go through the method as well as process 2. Since process involve half of the marks, so please avoid doing error while calculating the expression b square minus 4ac in our formula to find the value of x is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Since it involves the root sign, so there are three possible values for the b square minus 4ac. Consider b square minus 4ac is positive, that means greater than 0. Then whatever the values coming, them are unequal and they must be real. If it becomes 0, then the values are real and equal, and it becomes, if in any case b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, then we say imaginary roots exist and they are not equal. Let us take it through by an example. Consider we have to determine the roots of the equation x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 9. So discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 9, which becomes 36 minus 36, 0. So since d equal to 0, hence the roots of the given equation are real and equal. Similarly, let us discuss the nature of the roots of 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0, where a equal to 3, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 3. So discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac minus 10 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 3, it becomes 100 minus 36 is 64. It is positive quantity. So t is greater than 0, and the roots of the given equation are real and distinct. Distinct means they are not. See another example. We have taken x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c equal to 4. So discriminant d equal to minus b square. Discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac, which becomes minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into 1 into 7, it becomes 16 minus 28 is equal to minus 12. It is less than 0, since it is a negative quantity, so it is less than 0, hence the roots of the given equation are imaginary. We are not here to discuss about the imaginary roots. One can Let us see an application of the quadratic equation, how the quadratic equations are useful in our daily life. Consider there is a hall whose length is 5 times the width. The area of the floor is 45 meters square. Find the length and width of the hall. So what we have to do, we have to find the length and width of the hall. Since hall means it may be rectangular or it may be square. Since we are dealing with length and width, consider the W is the width of the hole. So according to question, the length will be 5W. Therefore, W into 5W will give the area of the hole. So 5W square equal to 45. It is given the area of the floor is 45 meters square. So W square equal to 9. So W square minus 9 equal to 0. So W plus 3 into W minus 3 equal to 0. It gives W equal to minus 3 and W equal to plus 3. Therefore, the width is 3 meter and length is 15 meter. We will not take W equal to minus 3 since length cannot be measured in negative, so we will take only positive value. Now, let us check another example. A 3 hours river cruise goes 15 km upstream and then back again. The river has a current of 2 km per hour. Then, what is the boat's speed and how long was the upstream journey? See, let x be the boat's speed in the water and v is the speed of relative to the land, because the river flows downstream at 2 km per hour. When going upstream, v equal to x minus 2, since the speed is reduced by 2 km per hour, since it is opposite in direction. When going downstream, it becomes plus, increased by 2 km per hour. We know that time equal to distance by speed, and it travels 8 km at 4 km per hour, so it takes 2 hours. Now, we know that the total time is 3 hours. Therefore, we can use our sets total time equal to time taken to go upstream plus time to come downstream. It is given 3 hours. Therefore, we will put all together. Total time is 15 by x minus 2 plus 15 by x plus 2 equal to 3 hours. Now we will solve the equation. Now try to solve the equation. 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 2 equal to 15 into x plus 2 plus 15 into x minus 2, which gives 3 into x square minus 4 equal to 15x plus 30 plus 15x minus 30, which becomes 3x square minus 30x minus 12 equal to 0. Now, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 30 and c equal to minus 12. This whole process, just use the formula to find out x. We will have x equal to minus 0.39 or 10.39. Since negative speed will not make any sense, so we will refuse it. We will take only 10.39. Therefore, boat's speed will be 10.39 km per hour and upstream journey is 15 by 10.39 minus 2 equal to 1.79 hours, that is 1 hour and 47 minutes. And downstream journey 15 by 10.39 plus 2 equal to 1.21 hours, that means 1 hour and 13 minutes. So please go through this example. Such examples are very important, and many times in board examination these types of questions are coming, of which involves the downstream and upstream of the boats. So all students are advised to go through the textbook and please try to solve questions if any doubt comes. So for today, this is our class for quadratic equation and their method to solve. Since this is our online classes, as we cannot do our offline classes as the all schools are closed down. So please go through all the videos that I have sending you through YouTube or any of the channel so that you can go through these videos and make it proper use and try to solve all the chapters so that when you come to the school after reopening we will have our examinations. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, follow the instructions and please avoid touching your face. Use a tissue for cough and sneezing. Wash your hands regularly while coming from outside and please follow the instructions available to the citizens of India. Thank you. In the next class, we'll be meeting with new chapter. Till then, bye bye.